Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're diving into how to add a frequently asked questions section to your WordPress site. This can help improve user experience and keep your visitors informed. Let's get started. FAQs are essential for addressing common concerns, reducing repetitive inquiries, and improving your site's SEO. By providing clear answers, you can enhance user satisfaction and keep visitors on your site longer. One of the easiest ways to add an FAQ section is by using a plugin. Let's walk through that process. 1. Navigate to Plugins. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then click on Plugins and select Add New. 2. Search for FAQ plugins. In the search bar, type FAQ. You'll see several options. A popular choice is DBP Responsive FAQ or Ultimate FAQ. 3. Install and activate. Choose your preferred plugin, click Install Now, and then activate. Now let's create your FAQ section. 1. Access FAQ settings. Once activated, look for the FAQ option in your dashboard menu. Click on it. 2. Add new FAQ. Click on Add New FAQ. You'll see fields for the question and answer. 3. Enter questions and answers. Fill in your questions and answers. You can also categorize them for easier navigation. 4. Publish your FAQ. Once you're done, hit Publish. Next, let's display the FAQ section on your site. 1. Copy the shortcode. Most FAQ plugins provide a shortcode. Find it in the FAQ section and copy it. 2. Add to a page or post. Go to the page or post where you want your FAQ to appear. Paste the shortcode where you want it to show up. 3. Preview and publish. Preview your changes to ensure everything looks good, then click Publish. You can customize the look of your FAQ section to match your site's design. 1. Explore settings. Go back to your FAQ plugin settings. Look for customization options like colors, fonts, and layout. 2. Save changes. Make your adjustments, then save the changes. And there you have it. A simple way to add a frequently asked questions section to your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.